guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayonnaise Food World. Today it's a very simple recipe that I'm doing. Very simple. You can do it for your kids. It's called pizza bread. Therefore, use a slice of bread to make pizza. Literally, that's what it means. And I can use that also to make a sandwich if you want to make a sandwich as well. It's very easy to do. So what I have here, I've shown you actually. I have here how to make a paste. This is just made of passata. It's garlic passata, and I've added some spices to it, and I just reduce it a little bit, and it tastes really good. And that's what I'm using for my tomato paste. And I have some vegetables. You can use any veggie that you like. Actually, I like these. Just sweet pepper, some onions, and I have a bit of parsley. Okay, and also what I'm going to put in, I'm going to put in a bit of this is sausage, and you can saute the sausage a little bit and just cut them into small pieces. Yeah, so this is what you're going to, very simple recipe. So let's get started. Right, so before I just want to put a bit of black pepper into my tomato paste. Okay, tastes yummy. And the next thing I need to do, okay, I have some butter here. Okay, so I want to butter the back of the bread. So just butter that bit. So guys, I've buttered the back of the bread. So this bit is, I put my tomato nicely on top. I like a lot of tomatoes so that it makes it nice and sweet. It's like having a lot of tomato on your pizza. Okay, so the next bit is to put some sausage there. As you like, you can add chicken if you prefer. Just add a bit of sausage. Okay, and then I add some onions. I love onions, guys. So, but there's garlic already in the tomato paste. I don't want to add any garlic. So add a bit of onions, and then I'll add my sweet pepper. This will taste really good, guys. You can put any veg that you like. Okay, and then I'm going to put my mozzarella. Just be generous and put as much there as you prefer. Okay, so that should be I'll just put a bit of my parsley on it as well. So the next bit I need to do is what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a pan. I'm not going to bake it. This is no bake recipe, so I'm going to put that in the pan. So guys, I put a bit of butter in. Okay, and I put my pizza recipe in the pan. So what we need to do, I'll just cover it for some few minutes. So guys, we think that the pizza is ready. Okay, so I'll just pick it up and just put it on my plate. Look how nice it looks. So guys, with the sandwich I want to do, just quickly, I just need to butter the back of the bread. Just put some butter on the back. It should be nice and crispy. Okay, so I turn it round. The next bit I need to do with one side of the bread, I put some my nicely made tomato paste. This is really yummy. Okay, and then I'll try and put my sausage. It's quite similar to the pizza. Put as much sausage in as you prefer. I want more sausage. Okay, and I put my onions. And then my sweet pepper. You can add anything you prefer. I like these, that's why I'm using that. Okay, and I'll put my my cheese on. I love this. Okay, and the other side, what I have done here, this is just 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and it adds a little twist onto your sandwich. So I like to butter the other half of the bread with this sauce. Butter the other half of the bread. Okay, and then I put it onto that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the pan as well and then toast it. So guys, I'll put a little bit of butter in the pan and then I'll put my sandwich in there. Okay, you can see it's really burnt out. I'll just cover it a bit and just wait for a few minutes before I turn it. Right guys, so I'm turning the sandwich. Ooh, that looks really lovely. So I'll just cover it again just for some few minutes. So guys, our sandwich is ready, pizza sandwich. So I'm just taking it out and put it on the plate. That's our pizza sandwich. So guys, this is our no-bake bread pizza and the sandwich. It's really nice, and I tell you, it tastes lovely. Just want to cut it. So you can see just the cheese, and I tell you, it tastes lovely. Just look at the bit, and it smells really good. So you can try this recipe, or you can just do just a normal that one. You can cut this one and just taste it. It tastes really nice. So guys, please like this video if you really like this recipe, and give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and try this recipe because it's really delicious. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Bye.